are in the stand of SCM Group in Technodomus Fair. We present here the new model Profiset 4-side planer machine. In particular, this machine, it is the small machine of the family, and it is a very good machine for space, for ergonomic, and also for save the time for the operator. The Profiset 40 is the one of the two models, Profiset 40 and Profiset 60, that we have, and we think for all the carpentries. The machine is equipped standard with manual lubrication of the table, with the two adjustments of the planer and in-feed fence, and it can be supplied also with a controller. When we have the controller, automatically we have the start of both two motors in sequentially operation. The machine is equipped standard with the exclusion of the post roller on the table, with idle roller on outfeed table, and also with manual centralized lubrication. 4 suction cup for best extraction. We can supply the machine also with the controller that can manage vertical and horizontal movement of the planer. On the range of Profiset automatic planer molder, we can find also Profiset 60, the machine created for profile and also for planer, equipped with 4, 5 or 6 axes. The best machine for the best quality and finish.